We present GazeQ-GPT, gaze-driven question generation for personalized learning from educational videos. Personalization is integral to modern user interfaces such as layouts or content recommendations. In learning, personalization enhances motivation by tailoring content to individual learners. However, question generation lacks personalization. Past question generation techniques would generate all possible questions from the document, or take important sentences and generate questions on those sentences. None of these consider the learner's needs, as they're not tailored to each individual. Past works also do not consider videos to convey information to the learners. We propose eye tracking to personalize question generation on the fly, where fixations on words or subtitles will be used as context. And technical jargon may also be present, which could confuse learners. One method to address this is to use gloss, a brief explanation to clarify the meaning of said words. For example, marginal gloss, where it is located in the margins. Our work extends to provide multi-work expressions as well. We developed a gaze-driven interest model to model which words or subtitles the user is fixated on. More details of the model can be found in the paper. The central intuition of the model is longer fixations will produce a large interest score, and shorter fixations will produce a small interest score. Subtitles with a higher score will be used as context for the question generation. We have used ChatGPT to feed the highest scored subtitle along with the specified target word, which is the highest scored word within the subtitle. And we'll create a multiple choice question based on the specified context. To provide multi-word expressions or collocation definitions, we have used ChatGPT to verify whether a token sequence is a valid collocation. If it is a valid collocation, we ask ChatGPT to define that. These definitions will be displayed via gloss. All methods are incorporated into a prototype system named GazeQ-GPT. All detected collocations are highlighted in the subtitle. Marginal gloss can be activated by looking at the right margin of the screen. The video will pause once the gloss has been activated. Once the video ends, the system will create 5 multiple choice questions about the video. In a user study, we compare videos with gloss and without gloss, where half the participants are exposed to gloss. We also compare 2 question types, where GazeQ-GPT generates questions on the fly with the interest model, and ChatGPT, which pre-generates questions without the interest model. Results show GazeQ-GPT prioritizes words in the marginal gloss, where the gloss interest scores dominate the subtitle scores. GazeQ-GPT also prioritizes rewatch subtitles, where it targets 81% rewatch subtitles on average. Both question types are suitable for question generation in a video context based on the 5-point statements, but GazeQ-GPT produces a variety of questions indicating personalization, where each row represents each participant's extracted context from each video, whereas the first row represents what ChatGPT thought it was important. More details can be found in the paper.